Are you tired of wrestling with a heavy snow shovel and still ending up with snow all over you? If you want a faster, less backbreaking way to clear driveways, you're in luck because electric snow shovels are changing how we tackle winter chores. Today, I'm going to be going over the best electric snow shovels that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the EGO SNS1201. From the moment you unbox the EGO SNS1201, you notice compact heft and a clean, purpose-driven design suited for owners. This tool targets homeowners with small to medium driveways who want quick, accessible snow removal without heavy machinery or fumes. Its intuitive controls and instant power on expectation set a reassuring tone for first-time users transitioning from manual shovels. The chassis combines rugged plastics with reinforced metal fittings, yielding rigidity while maintaining a surprisingly light overall weight for easy maneuverability. With a compact 14-inch intake width and a comfortable D-shaped handle, it threads through tight corridors and packs sidewalks gracefully. The shaft uses corrosion-resistant aluminum, while the housing seals protect internal gears from moisture and chilly climes during heavy sessions. Powered by a 56V battery, the EGO SNS1201 balances power delivery with battery life, enabling extended clearance without frequent recharges. The brushless motor design reduces maintenance needs, delivering smoother torque and cooler operation under heavy snow loads during sessions. The dual-stage auger system aggressively feeds snow toward a robust discharge chute, minimizing clogging and maintaining steady throw distances. In light to moderate snowfall, it clears a typical driveway in minutes with minimal user fatigue, even after long workdays. Heavy snow scenarios test its endurance. Battery drops slow, and the system maintains consistent performance, resisting jams through continuous operation. Real-world testing on compact driveways confirms strong performance in uneven surfaces and limited clearance zones during blustery snows. Compared to a popular gas-powered shovel, the EGO SNS1201 offers quieter operation and cleaner, more predictable throws. The pros include robust weather-resistant build, outstanding battery runtime in real-world use, and quiet low-vibration operation. The cons include higher price point compared to entry-level models and bulkier storage footprint that challenges compact garages. At number 4, we have the Generic Cordless Snow Shovel, a compact tool pitched at urban commuters battling light to moderate snowfall. Its design targets easy handling for homeowners with limited storage, offering a lightweight experience without sacrificing basic metal construction. The intended buyers are residents in small spaces who need quick clearing without heavy machinery or professional assistance. Despite the cordless form, the build emphasizes a tough plastic housing with reinforced ribs to resist cracking during frequent use. Weighs a surprisingly light amount for a cordless shovel, which translates into less fatigue during extended plowing sessions. Its overall dimensions fit standard garages, with a compact head and a slim handle that minimize storage footprint. The motor utilizes a brushless configuration that promises quieter operation and longer life under cold weather conditions, boosting overall efficiency. Its rechargeable battery is rated for moderate snowfall, delivering around 20 to 25 minutes of continuous use per charge in typical conditions. The shovel head measures a practical width around 8 inches, balancing material removal with forward visibility when pushing through layered ice. The integrated scraper edge aids reclaiming embedded snow from pavement while preserving the blade and reducing surface wear. In real-world tests, it clears a typical sidewalk segment with moderate efficiency and minimal user fatigue compared to heavier electric shovels. Battery management through the model's firmware minimizes waste and ensures the tool maintains consistent power output across sessions. Compared to the EcoGrip X5, the Generic Cordless Snow Shovel offers lighter weight and simpler maintenance at the cost of fewer features. The pros include sturdy build, long battery life, and compact handling, delivering reliable performance through every snow clearing task. The cons include relatively higher price and limited clearing width, which users may notice during heavy or dense winter conditions. At number 3, we have the DEGGE Cordless Snow Shovel. From the moment you unbox this tool, you sense a design oriented toward homeowners with limited storage and unpredictable weather demands. The DEGGE Cordless Snow Shovel feels sturdy, featuring a durable polymer blade and a lightweight aluminum shaft that together manage balance. Its target audience includes small property owners, urban commuters with limited storage, and winter enthusiasts seeking quick clearings. It ships with a single quick-release battery and a compact charger, making it practical for quick snow emergencies. The blade measures around 8 inches wide, a compromise between clearing width and nimble control in tight spaces. With a total length close to 31 inches, it offers decent reach while keeping the motion comfortable for average heights. The motor is designed for low noise and minimal vibration, reducing fatigue during longer snow sessions and chilly mornings. Its weight distribution keeps it stable on slick surfaces while you push forward, clearing steps and driveways efficiently. Real-world testing shows the DEGGE can move light to moderate snowfall rapidly without jamming thanks to a self-cleaning chute. In comparison with a corded rival, the DEGGE runs quieter and eliminates cord management hassles during mid-size clearouts. It features a 20-volt lithium-ion battery with a replaceable pack and a 2-speed option for varied snow density. The handle feels ergonomic with a soft grip, making extended sessions less painful for wrists and arms during storms. In head-to-head testing against a leading corded model, the DEGGE delivers quicker, cleaner passes with far less physical effort. The pros include featherweight ergonomic design, near-silent operation with smooth handling, and exceptional overall value for the price. The cons include battery life that noticeably drops under heavy snowfall usage and a higher price versus widely advertised budget options. At number 2, we have the Westinghouse WSnow11SD. From the moment you unbox it, the Westinghouse WSnow11SD signals a practical, budget-friendly option for homeowners facing seasonal snow events. Crafted with a rugged shell and a comfortable handle, the Westinghouse WSnow11SD feels sturdy, yet surprisingly lightweight for its class. It offers an adjustable handle height and an easy fold shaft, plus a bright LED aid that helps clear dim corners. During testing on light to moderate snowfall, it cleared powder efficiently, though thicker material slowed forward progress and required multiple passes. The motor runs smoothly with low vibration, moderate noise, producing steady thrust that reduces fatigue during extended sessions. Compared to the Toro Power Shovel, the Westinghouse WSnow11SD feels lighter and starts quicker, though it offers less overall throw distance. The pros include compact design, easy storage, and quick setup. The cons include shorter battery life under heavy snowfall and a relatively higher price compared to basic models. Its compact footprint makes it easy to store in a closet or garage corner, and the lightweight aids portability. Maintenance remains simple, with washable components and accessible service options that give buyers confidence in long-term reliability. User experience benefits from an ergonomic grip and responsive forward motion control, letting users navigate sidewalks without overexertion. In conclusion, Westinghouse WSnow11SD's dependable performance for suburban driveways, offering portability, straightforward maintenance, and solid build quality. If you face regular light to moderate snow and value a compact electric shovel, this model deserves serious consideration. At number 1, we have the Joe X20-SNOW-5A, a compact electric snow shovel redefining winter cleanup with efficiency and thoughtful design. Initial impressions suggest a device crafted for homeowners, condo dwellers, and small business owners seeking rapid snow clearance without heavy, back-breaking labor. Weighing around 8 pounds, the X20-SNOW-5A feels balanced in front of the body, and its ergonomic handle minimizes wrist strain. The housing employs a durable plastic shell reinforced at critical stress points, delivering satisfactory rigidity when maneuvering across uneven pavements. With a compact footprint, the unit stores neatly in garages or utility closets, and its 20-inch intake width speeds clearing. The discharge chute adjusts smoothly to aim snow precisely where you want, reducing scatter and keeping walkways clear and safe. The intake throat and auger housing are designed to resist clogging by damp snow, contributing to smoother emissions and fewer interruptions. Power delivery is tempered to avoid kickback, with a controlled discharge chute that can be adjusted to toss snow precisely where needed. In practical tests, the X20-SNOW-5A cleared a standard 2 to 4 inch snowfall quickly, leaving clean edges without requiring multiple passes. Noise levels remain moderate, enabling operation without disturbing neighbors, even during early morning snowfalls, while still maintaining reasonable efficiency. The design prioritizes ease of use over brute power, making it ideal for light driveways and single-family homes. In a direct comparison with the Greenworks 26032, the Joe X20-SNOW-5A demonstrates faster clearing, tighter turns, and easier storage. The pros include lightweight handling, quiet operation, and easy storage, all contributing to a remarkably user-friendly snow removal experience. The cons include the need for a power outlet and limited performance in deep, heavy snow conditions that reduce versatility.